Welcome, guys. Welcome to Tubelight Games. Today, we're going to learn how to use Easy AR 3.0, the latest version. All right, let's get started. All right, so first of all, we're going to download Easy AR, and I'm going to show you how you can do that real quick. So, head over to Chrome and search for easyar.com and hit enter, and it will take you to the Easier website, and you have to click on the download at the top. And next, hit Easy AR SDK 3.0 Unity package and download EasyR Final Basic Unity. Now, once the download is complete, head over to top right and hit sign up. If you don't already have the account, like I already have an account, so let me just sign in. And now, as you can see, I'm signed in. I have a few license key added. All right, now we're going to add a license key. So click on add SDK license key and then select Easy AR SDK basic, free and no watermark, and provide the app name. Now let's give it a name, Easy AR app. And you don't need the bundle ID for iOS because we're not going for the iOS. And package name, yeah, now here you have to be careful while adding the package name because it's the package name here must match the package name in the Unity. Let me show you how you can find the package name in Unity. Open up Unity. Right, so click on edit and then head over to project settings, and there select player, and from player you have to select other settings and just move a little bit down. You will see a package name. This is a default package name, and you want to change it to according to your names. Like mine was tubelightgames.easyar. Now you have to copy this and paste it in the package name in easyar.com and then hit confirm. Once you hit confirm, as you can see, the package name is added, and here you will find a SDK license key. Now copy the license key. Alright, now we're going to import the package first. So hit asset, import package, and then find the package that we just downloaded. So mine is right here. Your is according to your directory. Select the package name and hit open. It will take a few minutes depending upon your computer speed, and wait for the package to install. And now head over to resource, easy AR key, and then enter the key here like you just copied. So paste the key here and it will save automatically. Alright, our next step is to move on to samples and then select scenes folder, and from there we will select hello AR image target and then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl V, and then we'll drag and drop that duplicated item to scenes folder, and there we will open that scenes folder once we rename it. Alright, once the scene is opened, you have to select image target, and in image target you will see two options, quad and cube. So let's go ahead and delete cube, and then you have to click on image target, and there we're going to rename the target name and target path to our image and our name respectively. And the next step is to copy an image. Like we have our own image img.jpg. Let's drag and drop it to streaming assets. Once we're done with the drag and drop, we will go ahead and change the name in the image target to target path and target name to image.jpg and image. Alright, our next step is to change the image of quad, and for that we're going to re-import the image to scenes folder, and once we're done with the import we will drag and drop the image to quad material. Let me show you. Alright, once we are done with the image change, the next step is to present us with a 3D object. Now for that I have my own example. I'm using a diamond cut 3D model, and you can use whatever you want. What you have to do is just import the model and then drag it over to image target. Image target where you'll be able to see in your device. Okay, this is how the default settings or default 3D model will look like once you hit play button. So we're gonna adjust the settings. We're gonna adjust the rotation according to our needs, and let me show you how. Alright, now as you can see, we're done with the rotation and alignment. So the next step is we're gonna build the game. Alright, we're done with the rotation now, and we're going to file, build setting, and then select that open scenes, and click on switch platform. If you haven't already switched to Android, I'm already done with the switching, so I'm good. And the final step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the name of the application. For this, you can click on player setting and then hit player, and then in the product name, give it a suitable name like I have Easy AR app. Alright, we're done. So we're pretty much done with everything. Now click on build, and it will ask you where to save uh, the APK. So select a suitable directory and hit save.